Everybody, welcome back. This is Nasim Reza from nasimreza.com and I am a digital marketing and web analytics expert. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up the tracking for track Jotform submission to your Google Analytics dashboard. So that's mean if you have a website like this and your Jotform embedded on that website and you want to track how many people are going to set up the form and you want to see the data in your analytics dashboard, so this video is for you. So no more talks, let's get started. But before get into the video, if you are new to this channel, then definitely subscribe to my channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And if you need any help to set up your conversion tracking issue that you are not doing well or you are not fixing well, then you can book my consultancy. The link I will give on this video description, so don't forget to check this out. So let's dive into of this video. So this is my WordPress website and my website is already connected to Google Tag Manager. So if you are not set up yet the Google Tag Manager, I recommend you to set up the Google Tag Manager quickly. And here this is the process. Just simply copy this link and this code and paste into your website backend, then you can do that. And if you don't know how to do that, just you can search another video on YouTube. I already published many video like this, so you can follow the instruction. I hope you can do that. So my website is connected to Google Tag Manager, and now this is the Jotform. I just want to set up how many people are this form submission is important because when you run the ad campaign for Google ads, Facebook ad, or whatever ad network you are using, so every time you need to analyze the customer data, so that's why it's important. So just follow the step carefully. Okay, first of all, go to Tag Manager, hit the preview button and copy the link and then paste here and then connect. When the website will connect, and you can see it's successfully connected, and now I'm going to set up the form, like I'm submitting the demo data. And then when it's submitted, you can say I need to fulfill the capture. So sleeping dog I have to find here and then verify. Yes, and done. Yes, now it's submitted. And go back the tag assistant, and here you can see Jotform submit event are here. So we just need to send the event and the form ID also connecting here. So that means if you have a lot of form, then you can specific the with the form ID. But for my case, I am using the one form, so that's why I am going to use the event. Okay, so just copy the event name. And one thing you also need, which is your analytics, of course. And when I think when you sign in your email with Google Analytics, you will get the measurement ID. So measurement ID, you will find it to our data collection and data streams, and the measurement ID is this one. Okay, so measurement ID is here, and we just need to go to Google Tag Manager, set the tag and hit the new, and then Google event, and you can see the measurement ID tag we need to send here you can see the no Google tag found in this container. So make a Google tag first. So just click this button and with the same measurement ID make a another Google tag, and Google tag is there, and now its green mark is available here, and it's successfully connected. So first of all I just want to make it for all pages because it is the basic connection of the GA4. So we didn't send the event name. So for basically you can send the page view event for all the pages, but I'm not making this event. I am going to make custom event. So I just want to send the exact same name that I got from Jotform. So copy it and paste it here, and I don't want to send any parameter. If you want you can send the event ID name. Okay, so then the trigger will be the same. Hit the plus and make the custom event and paste the same name, and then save it, and that's it, and save. So our form submission setup is done. Now it's time to verify. So if I go to on there and go to Google Tag Manager preview again, and let's see what is happening. So of course I highly recommend you always test after setup the Google Tag Manager, then you will publish the version. Okay, so it's time to test. I already made. I believe it will work, but it's not for believing. It will not work for my belief. It actually work for a strong connection and without any mistake. So if you do any space mistake, so it will not work. So that's why I recommend you always test it. And of course guys, if you need my help, then go to this video description and book my consultant. I will help you to set up it for your business, whatever like it can be Facebook, Twitter, or whatever pixel that you want to set up for this lead event. So I will help you on that. So it's we need to you just need to capture and then submit. Yes, thank you. And let's see, yes, our tag is fired on this event. And let's go to Google Analytics, go to real-time overview, and yes, here it is. The Jotform is already came here. So that means it's working perfectly, and when you see it's working, then it's time to submit and publish this latest version, then it will start working. Otherwise it will not work. So that's actually all that I wanted to show you today, guys. If you need my help, please go to the video description and book a consultancy meeting. And if you found this video was useful, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, or if you want to learn a skill like this, then I highly recommend you please to subscribe, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So thank you very much. See you on the next video. Till then, bye, have a good day.